Hello friends, today we are going to talk about immortal ruler, also known as powerful ruler of all time. We are all known this name because of internet. There is lots of articles and YouTube videos are available in internet about immortal ruler. So, why I share this topic? Because all of us suffered from huge pandemic. We need our savior. He may comes from India. In current situation, we suffer more from COVID-19 disease. There are lots of prediction about single man from land of beginning, especially southern part of India are inhabited more than 5 millennium. Like Tamil ethnic peoples, they are never think about enslaving any other ethnics in world. The famous quote from the movie Alapuran Tamilan Ulagamillame means Tamilan will rule the entire world once again. It's going to be happen soon. We already know about the prediction from various sources in every religion or kind the man. For example, from major religions in the world such as Buddhism, Christianity, Hinduism, Islam, Judaism, all the above religions are waiting for the one man for their savior, but in reality there is one and only man or rising from the land of injustice to protect the justice of those voiceless. He is mastering of all current trending technologies, and yes, no one is questioning about logic. And then who are he? The real answer is time is going to be tell us the exact answer. Let's wait and watch. And then, dear viewers, sorry for these mistakes and slangs because English is not my mother tongue. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.